also looking to learn about a trick which allows you to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all your leads or customers without getting blocked, that too with personalized name in just one click, then this tutorial is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this amazing trick to send the WhatsApp broadcast message to all your leads or customers, that too with a personalized name in just one click without getting blocked or spam. So here on my screen, you can see the customer's detail that I have in Google Sheets. And I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to all these customers in just one click. That too without writing a single line of code and no manual effort. Yes, so here on my screen, you can see an automated WhatsApp message that I've sent to my customer with the customer name that says, "Hi Demo User." And this is a WhatsApp message template that I've created using that all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform to send the automated WhatsApp messages to all my customers about new arrivals. And now here to set up your WhatsApp broadcast, we are going to use this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to apply a coupon code that says ROMYT and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to sign in and you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here, as you know that I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, click on this add button and you can see two methods. So now here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the videos available in the description box below for the same. Not only this, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So now here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box as well. Alright, so as you know that in this tutorial we are going to learn about a WhatsApp broadcast technique. So we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that is broadcast. But as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send a template WhatsApp messages to all my customers, and in order to send the template message, I have already created a template inside my Pabbly Chatflow. So to look at that, we are going to access this template section. But if you want to send a regular type of message instead of a template message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that feature, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so let's access this template section. Now under this template section, you can see the total number of approved templates, number of pending, draft and rejected templates as well. So here I already have my template with the name New Arrivals Update. So this is the message that I have drafted and here you can see the status of my template is approved. That means I can successfully use this template to send automated WhatsApp messages to my customers or leads. So here to create a template, you need to click on this add template button and you can see two methods. One is add template and the other one is generate with AI. If you want to generate it with AI, then select this or else select add template and it will direct you to a new template window like this. Here you need to add some details and click on the submit button and then your template will be submitted for approval. Once it get approval from Meta, you can also use that template to send the automated WhatsApp message. And to learn about this creation process in detail, you can click on this learn more hyperlink available over here. Alright, let's move forward to the broadcast. Now under this broadcast, you can see total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, we are going to click on this add broadcast and it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast window. From here, we are going to select the type first, that is broadcast campaign, and for the name, I'm going to give the name as New Arrival Alert. Alright, so this is the broadcast name, and then here comes the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. And now here, as I've already mentioned, that I'm going to send this WhatsApp messages to all these contacts whose data I have in Google Sheet. So now in order to send the WhatsApp messages to all these contacts, I need to add these contacts in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And now here to add the bulk contacts, we're going to access this contact section available over here. Now under this contact section in the left side, you can see some existing contact list, and here to create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add the single contact, then you can add the details over here, or to add in bulk, select this. Now under this, you need to upload a CSV file for the contact details. And as you know that I have data in Google Sheets, so I need to download this file in a CSV format first. So as soon as I have a CSV format file, then I need to upload the same over here and click on this add contact button. Automatically the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, and once the contacts are created, you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now I'm going to use an existing one only, so I'm going to select that. You can select multiple lists as well. Alright, then comes the message type. You can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, so I'm going to select that. But to send a regular message, you need to select this option. Then here you can select the message type, and if you're going to write a message, then you can have a preview for the same in the right side. Alright, we are going to select a pre-approved template message first. So this is our template message, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name, because variables makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So I wanted to make this variable permanently dynamic so that my customers can receive the personalized WhatsApp message. And now in order to make this field permanently dynamic, we are going to access contact custom fields available over here under settings. Now under this contact custom fields, you can see the 4 permanent fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can create more contact custom fields as per your variables. For now, as you know that I have used variable for the name, so we're going to copy the field name and then we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on this done, and you can see the template has been selected successfully. Then here it is asking us to test our broadcast. So before sending it to the wider audience, you can send this WhatsApp message on your own WhatsApp number to see how it is going to send to the wider audience. So for that, I'm going to add my own username over here, and then I'm going to add my own number. Alright, now we are going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. Let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see we have received an instant new message with the name Hi Roma, which is my name, and you can see the same template message. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast over here. Now it is asking us to schedule our broadcast. If you want to send instant WhatsApp messages to all your contacts, then select no, or to schedule it for later, select yes. Now here you need to select the proper date and time. So while selecting this date and time, you need to make sure that you're going to select the future date and time. If you're selecting a past date and time, that is going to send the WhatsApp message instantly to all your contacts. Alright, so now after adding the date and time, we are going to click on this add broadcast. And you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. So once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you can have the data for send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Not only this, you can also resend the failed message to all your valid contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of the best WhatsApp broadcast trick you can use in 2026. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is available on your screens, that says ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.